My name is Chandrulekha Singh, and I am a professor in the physics department, and I'm also the director of the Discipline-Based Science Education Research Center. The goal of DB-SERC is to promote and support evidence-based approaches to teaching and learning in the 9 science departments in the Dietrich School of Arts and Sciences. All the research is showing is that students need to be actively engaged for learning to be meaningful. And this is particularly true in all the science departments. That the faculty members who are hired here often do not have much teaching experience beyond the teaching assistantship that they might have done. And even that is not mandatory in all schools. There are some faculty members who have never even taught as a TA, let alone having taught an independent class. So those kinds of faculty members, can particularly benefit from having a resource like DB-SERC. So at these meetings, we discuss teaching and learning related issues to bridge the gap between teaching and learning. With DB-SERC Course Transformation Awards, we are actually giving faculty small grants to innovate in their courses, to adapt and adopt innovative teaching strategies that put students at the center of the learning process. One way that we provide support is by actually having faculty learning community. And we have more than 100 faculty members who are signed up for these weekly announcements. Some of the faculty members are actually flipping their classes, making small videos. These are short videos, maybe 5 to 10 minutes long, and they're posting them on CourseWeb. And in the class, students are actively engaged all the time. So students will watch those videos outside, and all of the class time will be spent on, for example, clickers, where students actually answer multiple choice questions and they talk to a person next to them. 2 or 3 people discuss what are the right answers. We also discuss real challenges in the classrooms that they might encounter. What happens when there is some problem in the class? How would you deal with it? How do you deal with diversity in the classroom? What are the most effective approaches to actually helping all kinds of students? How do you actually communicate with your teaching assistants well? How can you take advantage of the undergraduate TAs in your classes? All of those different kinds of things that are related to improving teaching are discussed in the new faculty workshop. We also do workshops for undergraduate and graduate teaching assistants to make sure that they know evidence-based approaches to teaching and learning well too. A lot of faculty members here don't even realize that not all students are like them. The diversity in all kinds of science courses has increased greatly, and students really need explicit guidance and support in order for them to learn. We are very grateful to Provost Beeson and Dean Cooper for their support in founding the center.